Hi guys, this is how it looks. Yan, all eyes. This is how it looks here. All eyes, look. All eyes. Ito what's called snowstorm. There is a rain, that's why it's melting from the trees. Now it's going to be melt. Look at the see people here. It's so beautiful but dangerous. Guys, all eyes, all eyes. How cold it is. See how cold it is, guys. Ice baby. Yan na, ice baby na tayo. Still pulling the snow. Look at that, all snow. Where is the car? Take a snow. All snow.
There. Hey, how are you doing? Take a lot of snow in a hand, not carry.
1 minute, I'll just go in the swimming pool and check how it is there in the back. This is in the swimming pool, guys. This is all snow here. See, in the swimming pool. See, only the water. Be, let's go in the back, Be. Let's go in the back. Baby. You hold this. I will go, no. You hold this, I will go. Okay, 1 minute. I'll put in my... I'll just put my gloves. It's very cold, guys. The surroundings here. No one is going out except me. Look at that. Look at that. Snowing. Snowing. Look at that. Full of ice. B, I will sit, B. It's difficult to walk, baby. My love, take me picture here. Hi, snowing. Let's go walking, guys. Cold, it's so much cold. Look at that. Snow is falling. Snow is falling, guys. So it's cold. See that, guys? All the roads is like that. All ice. And here too. So no one is driving. Everything is closed today. Hi. let's go home and let's have make a soup. Look at that, all the cars is snow. One more picture here. Aray, sakit sa kamay. Hindi pwede gayos, walang gloves, sakit. Walking in the snow, walking in the snow, walking in the snow, walking in the snow, walking in the snow. Hello everyone, so second day update of snowstorm in Houston, guys. So it's still here full of snow and still we don't have electricity, so we're just trying to look some gas station or restaurant that is open because still we don't have electricity and we don't know yet what time it will be back. The road is full of snow still. The other side, the lake is already ice, guys, the lake. So let's try here. I'll just check if the road is no more snow. It still is 28 degrees. We don't have electricity anymore, so we are charging our mobiles in the car and saving the battery. See, all here is still snow. This is how it is. It's difficult. All roads, highways here still is snow, guys, everywhere. Here still is snow. Look at that, it's still snow. So everyone is trying to charge their mobile in the cars because we don't have electricity and saving the battery, guys. Look at the road. This is our situation here. Still not melting, so everything here is closed, but thanks God that other restaurant is open today because yesterday everything is really closed and we are still in 28 degrees and we don't have electricity. That's much of cold here. Look, that's much of cold, guys. I want to go walk around. It's too much cold. Ayoko na sa snow. I don't like snow anymore. I am here. Dito lang ako, guys, naka-gloves. Suot ko muna yung gloves ko kasi super lamig. Ayan, kaya pa naman kasi naka-coat ako at saka ayan. So, yan. Uwi na tayo. Just have walk and look around. And if it's the road and the highway, I need to check also if it is already open. Kasi naka-boots na ako, guys, pero nanginginig na yung sakit. Bukas magbo-burn yung nose ko, magbo-burn yung face nyo. Dapat magpe-face mask ako eh. Yan, kasi pag may tubig madulas. Kaya ingat-ingat tayo. Yan. Snowing. I will check in the highway if it is not, if it still have snow. It's too much snow here, guys. It's very slippery. Ayan. I-check ko lang sa highway kung hindi na shock yung road. Kasi ayaw namin yung car namin i-rest. Take a rest. So, look at that. The lake is all ice. Kasi yung nag-melt na pupunta doon. So, let me wear again my gloves because I remove it when I take a picture. Yan. This is the snow. Second day snowstorm here. Look at that. And I need to walk in the grass side because debris. This is how it is today. No electricity and everyone is trying to use charcoal on the barbecue grill. Because wala ka guys, lahat malamig. So I need to go back home and wake up my lab and tell him to let's find a coffee. Okay, turn off ko muna guys. Kasi super lamig na. So ayan guys, yung lake nag-snow na talaga. Nag-snow. Ice na talaga. Did you see that? Ayan, may nakalutang ng mga ice. Malalaki. Hindi siya masyadong nakikita. Pero ayun. Ice na guys. Ayan na. Ice na talaga. Lake is ice. First time. Okay, mag-picture muna ako for thumbnail. Look at the lake. It's ice. Ice na siya guys. Ice. Di na siya nag-move. Frozen ice na yung lake. Kasi yung nag-melt na snow napunta sa lake. Kaya ayan. Yung lake. Ice na guys. Ice na. Hindi na nag-move. Ice na talaga siya. Ice na yung lake. Zoom natin, i-zoom. Hindi makita. Ayan. Hi guys! Day 3 of snowstorms. We are here. We are here on my friend's house. Look at that, their new home, sweet home. Kasi nakiligo, wala kaming tubig at kuryente. This is Chi! Ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, my sexy friend.
Sexy.
Ayan. Ayan. Thank you so much, sexy ha. Ayan guys, ang hirap ng situation namin. 3 days of snowstorm, we don't have electricity. Now, they already said we have, but no water. Ang hirap guys. Ang hirap na walang tubig. Ayan, nandito kami. Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng house nila guys. Hopefully, we can buy like this. Ayan, see you later. Ayan, makikikain kami. Thank you so much. Magkain muna kami. Makikikain kami. Thank you so much.
I'm not coming.
Okay. Ayan, yung 2 kids nila guys. Ayan, thank you so much. This is what
like that.
we are so lucky to have friends. Okay na lang, ganito na. Okay, ayan. Ayan guys. Ice na ice. Ang hirap maglakad.